how to create fan blades just by using Blender 4.2. Now you can see this is just an individual fan blades. To make it become 5 blades, what you need to do is just click this object, go to the edit mode, and then click the empty area, press A to select everything, then press Alt E, then choose spin. Then the properties you can put, let's say if you here you put 10, then it will have 10 blades. Then the Z, just put it 0, Y, just put it 0. Now you can see this is the fan blade. The X also put it 0. Now you can see this is exactly the fan blade. Next, you still can adjust the Z variable. Alright, X you can put 1, the Z variable, then Y variable. Just make it until you feel satisfied as a fan blade. Then X. Then finally, you just need to add a cylinder at the center. It will become a perfect fan blade for any devices. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create fan blades by using the Blender 4.2 in 3D modeling. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you love the 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you.